Okay. Today's date is the 19th of May, 20. Wait, today's date is the 19th of May, uh, 2026. Okay, this is my birthday. I'm gonna be drawing the compound, but I'm gonna spend 45 minutes just doing it, and then 45 minutes to an hour. Muko Orion OS, Orion OS, OS. So this is the compound I'm building. Muko Orion OS. So let's get into it. So we're gonna have four condos, two studios, two orangeries, uh, two conservatory, one conservatory. Rename this to two conservatories. Rename. Two orangeries, two conservatories, two conservatories. Muko was design, one for condominium. So this is four condos. Condos are sizes of 4 by four condos. So basically, let's find the size of condos. Uh, in the UK. Uh, so basically, I'm trying to separate the categories. So let me get to a Word document. I will go here. Yeah. So this is the specification file. Here, I wrote to AI, but it's basically coherent enough to work with. Uh, site plan, floor plan, 1 to 100. For every 1 meter, there is 100 meters. For every 1 millimeter, there's 100. Scale is 100. 100 millimeters. For every 100 for every 1 meter, 1 millimeter, there's 100 meters. Drawing time scale, so 300 millimeters. So rules, no centimeters makes imperial units. Oh, this is my location by the way. So we're gonna have location here, and and a video here. So I've really done this, but I'm getting started now. So let me set my clock and alarm. I booked for 45 minutes. 5 minutes, make it 15 minutes. 49.5 minutes. 9.3 minutes. 30 minutes. Skip breaks. Start. Amish way. So we're gonna have security and warfare. So let me build it here. So here I've got my thing. So I've got my work here. So let me separate this in two. Let me duplicate this. Liquid screen do write on mode, and we have this here. They're trying to treat me again. They're not done. These people are not done. They are they are doing the wrong thing again and saying that I'm the problem. So basically, I'm trying to take the VCAM unlock it. Uh, 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 there's no life in the UK. Life in the UK test. I'll fake. So if I put this behind, here, and I'll put it here on this side, but it's gonna be very big. So it's gonna be very, very big. Uh, and I started. Should I make it bigger than this one? If I move this up, I'll move this down. Move it down. Uh, Basically, I want to control, rank it, control shift. Yep, this will be control shift, control shift. One second, guys. Basically, I started building on building. You're gonna tell me all my ideas and plans don't work. There's no support. There's no support whatsoever. You're telling me nonsense. So how can I accept nonsense? I can't. You guys can see this video what I'm doing, but I'm trying to build I'm trying to sketch it out. So basically, yeah. So this is gonna be locked now. It's really it's proportionate, but it does work how it works. So I've got my pencils here, and I'm gonna start drawing. So I got a question here. Is it in meters here? So millimeters, meters, square meters, and 1 centimeter, 1 meter. Real world 1 meter equals 1 centimeter, which is equal to 100 millimeters. Let's get started. Yeah, let's get started on this drawing. So basically, the specification is here. Mm, so I can do an L shape for a condo, but I can do an L cuboid or L shape. Can I do something else? Basically, I think a space, a square, I was breaking in squares. If I draw the floor plan for a condo entrance, I can use this all grid, this whole space here. The last one I did was here. So let me take inspiration from it. This is what I'm trying to design. Yeah. This is what I'm trying to design. So we have a conservatory, the laundry. This is the L shape. So I have this is the front, I'm gonna change the front here. Because if this is the front, I'm gonna have it like this. This will be the car park. But this is already I'm chipping out spaces. So basically why I did this one, I chipped out spaces. So this is the front here. You go here this way, the toilet to the lounge, and then you go out to the kitchen, and then you go to the dining area. So basically, we're gonna have one condo, two kitchens, or one kitchen on dining area. Basically, the kitchen and the dining are the same area, so one dining area. So the more time wasting. Okay, so we're gonna have so we're gonna have one condo, so four condos, one condo, one studio, one kitchen, one dining area, dining kitchen, the floor plan, two toilets. Am I doing a site plan or floor plan? I said I'll just go straight into the housing. So, let me do the site plan. Let me do just the floor plan for the own housing. So inside the own housing. So I'll use this one. I'll extend this one. Start drawing on this one. This day I'll start extending this one. Let's get started. So, if we're going to be the front, so this is the old front, this is the old draft. So I'm gonna use this one as a front. I'm gonna use this one as a front. But this is the car park here. You go here to the big doors there. This is the back entrance. This will be preserved here, and that's the space I need. Let me measure it and see what I'm doing. So this is a 3 milli, 3. Let me just make it 3 meters. 3 by 1 meter, 3 by 1 meter, 1 by 1 meter grid, 3 by 1 meter. This is a 3 by 2 meter of space. Basically, I use the chip method, so I'm chipping out a square. So basically, I take the square and I chip it out, and that's what gives me the space. So I call it the chip method. So the chip method is basically it's a planning method I just made up, called the chip method. So basically, I take a square meters and I chip out areas I want housed, and that's what we use it. So this is chip method. So I'm chipping out places. So basically, chip method allows me to chip out areas of segments of space. But this is a whole square, just square. But I'm chipping out areas as space. So I chip out area for here, here, and I create space. But every area I add, I move that space somewhere else. For example, this is one space that come here. I take this space, I take this square area. This and I move it here. So this square is no longer an extended length here. So this 3 meters line, the 3 meters line, I go over the 3 meters, 1 meter. This means is a 1 meter block. This 1 meter block come out of space, and so this is the breathing without living the suffering idea. But I'm chipping out spaces. I'm going to try to do that here too. So let me try to 5 meters block, 5 meters. Hmm, 5 meters block. So let me just try and traverse this. So basically, I draw L shape. So basically, what's the L shape? So you have basically, I'm gonna copy the design first. We'll keep this out design. I'm gonna keep that design. But I'm gonna make it two separate dwellings. So this is a one dwelling, but this is a one dwelling here. Another one here. Well, what's the full area of this one? That'll be 5 by 4 by 5 meters of land. So let me make a 5 by 4 by 5 meters land. So let me try to do it. So 5 centimeter. So basically my 5 centimeters. So I'll put it here. Put it on this side. So basically I'll put 5 centimeters of line. So I'll do a live fade. 5 meters. Let me do 5 by 5. It's better 5 by 5 meters of land. Five. I'm very precise here. I'm not precise. 5 by 5 meters of land to be chipped out. This is like a one conservatory space. But I'm trying to just replicate 5 by 500 meters. So this is a 500 by 5 meters. So basically, I chip out the space. So I remove this space here. I remove 1 meter of land. I withdraw it. I remove 1 meter here. 1 square meter that is. So this is 1 square meter. It comes here. Am I doing this right? This would be 10. Am I doing a side plan or floor plan? I think I'll do a floor plan. So this has to be bigger. So let's make it 10. 15. Um, so if I do this, if I do a straight line, go back. So if I do a straight line and go back, I'll bring it forward. Better bring it forward, yeah. This would be here, be 10 meters. So there's a, so I haven't chipped out anything here. So let me chip it out here actually. So the site plan is documentation said, uh, 1 to 100. So 1 centimeter means 100. Well, that's a site 500. So, site plan, the floor plan. So I'm doing a site plan. So that's 500 meters. So 1 centimeter equals 500 meters. So this is a floor plan. This is 5 centimeters. Yeah. And I go out here. So this is 3 meters in. So this is 5, 10. I'll double it 10. It's 10 centimeters in. It is 5. And this will just double. So let me do halfway. Another 5. Chipping out spaces. So I'm filling the algorithm automatically. Stick. No stick. So this is like this would be double the space I put here. So if I rub this off, no, I should put the space here. Somebody told me to put it there. This is literally 100 centimeters, which is 50. 1 of 50. No, I'm doing room plan. Almost here. So if I keep it by itself, am I doing a floor plan? I said I was doing a floor plan. Which is line, which is line, which is line. Double L shape. So this is a 500. It's 500. I'm trying to look at the vehicle there. So 10. Just straight line. It's an L shape. It's not a good L shape, so let me try to draw it here and terminate here. So this is the L shape here. This place here. There's one dwelling. I'll put the laundry here. So let's continue. This is a millimeter, so I can put the running. So if I give it space, I put it behind. How much did I do this for business class from business of 100 meters? This is 1 centimeter 50, so 10 centimeters 50. So I'm doing room details. This is 50. So this is room details of the site plan. Um, should I put this is a conservatory? Conservatory. This is the parking area. Where's the front door? Here's hallway and corridor. So 2 meters. 2 meters will be here. This is 10 meters of length. So this will map it 3 times. One is 50, two is 100, so it'd be 100 on the road. Just 10 per 1,000. So, wait, this is one. Wait, am I doing a floor plan? Let me decide. I'm doing a floor plan. So this is floor plan will be 100, so this will be 200. So that'll be 2 centimeters. Okay. This was 10. So this is the conservatory. One floor plan, 100, 100. This would be 1 meter is 100. So this would be 1,000. This would be 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. 3, 3, fine. So I wanted to go here. So you're gonna go here. Laundry here. So I'm just trying to put 3, 3 by so the 3 by 5. No, no good. Oh man, yeah. Right. So here I'm still doing it. So basically, I have four, 2 meters. Actually, two make it three by two. Like a 1 meter, like a 1 meter space. So 1 meter space, I check out the space. Oh wait, let's check out this 1 square meter here. No, we're gonna check out that 1 meter. Meters. So that's 1 meter space. And, let me extend it a bit. So this is 4 meters. Let's make it 5 meters. So 2 by 5. And this will be here. So laundry. Observatory. This is a conservatory. This is an laundry. So let's go to our plan. I'm doing a floor plan. I have the master 100 units. So we're gonna have this thing there. So we're gonna have two studios. Studio one, it should be inside the outside. Two laundries. Yeah. So this is one conservatory. Can I have a conservatory? Conservatory and a laundry will be epic. Uh, if it's called a studio, if I make a studio, 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 let me just check this out. So, uh, two, 2 meters, check this out. Make it an L shape, 2 meters, 2.5. Mm. So this is the living quarter here. Telling me I'm sick, Yeah. If I draw every quarter here, one thing was quite bigger. So, this is a conservatory here, 5 meters. So literally 3 meters chipped out. So I don't even know what it is anymore. I'm just like, I feel like I could continue learning. I want to learning all my life, but I'm not gonna build something all my life. They don't want me to learn, just keep studying. Studying is useless without actually applying it. It's like going to a brick wall, when they would tell meters. It's like keep it. So if I make it vertical, this is a detached boundary. So let me just make it detached. This is two, 2 by what? 2 by 5. This is detached boundary. Uh, two, 2 by 5. Yes. I think you're gonna come here try and give it a depth. I'm just gonna say the medication, the needles. I rather go to court. Give me a headache. So you can. So we're gonna have a well. Basically, I want a well. Because I'm gonna have a high rise well. So this is a conservatory. So we're gonna have two studios. So we done one dining, one kitchen, 4 condos. This is a site plan. I'm doing a site plan. Yeah, not a floor plan. So yeah, plus we agreed on no, we're doing a floor plan. I guess this is how it looks like a floor plan. I'm doing right. So this is a little just the construction method of it. So this is what it looks like so far. It's a full 5 minutes. Well done, Andy. Uh, two laundries, two laundries done, two conservatories. One conservatory is needed. 4 condos, one and one dining kitchen. No, no, no. I think some kind of analysis. A garden. So we're gonna have a garden here. We can go here. I want you to go brown here. This is front porch. Uh, this is a garden. This is basically separate. This is the front. So sunrise in the west and Sesame East. So let me do this properly. So we have two orangeries, one studio, one condo, one condo. This is a condo. This is a house. This is my house. This is my house. This is a condo. So I'm here looking at small stuff. So this is more stuff. This is a condo, small house. So what do I do now? So should I add a conservatory? Two studios. Two studios. Let me just add one studio. And that'll be it. Let's make one studio. One studio will be can I put it in the front? No. Can I put it here? No. Here's a clear space. So let me add a studio here. Basically the studio will be rectangular. If I do 4 by 4, if I do 4 by 2, oh, let me take that. One, two, one, two, here. So there's 4 inches. And then 2 meters. uh, So this is 5 meters. That's really 4 meters. So this is basically 4. Starts from here. So it's like, so I chipped out a lot of spaces here. And this is a living quarter. So 4 by 4 meter. So these are three living quarters on this page here. So 38 meters past, three living quarters on this page. This is the biggest one here. I don't know. So this is a fine. So let me go. So this is three, one, two, three. I can divide into a smaller section. Divide it like this. I can divide it like, yeah. No, let me leave this. So let me do the small ones first. So this is a bedroom. This is a floor plan. This is a bedroom. This is a bedroom. So let me start dividing it. So how much meters is a bedroom? Basically, let me find this properly. Let me find it properly. Uh, Basically, it's this what I've got here. It's only been for the 5 minutes here. Thank goodness. But this is the one master, two small dormer rooms. So these are living quarters. So you got one big living quarter. And I want you to divide into smaller quarters, but one big living quarter, two other smaller living quarters, and two laundries. This is too big, by the way. So let me divide it a bit more. This is 5 centimeters, 5 meters. So if I divide it by 5, 3. Mm, mm, Try to divide it by 3. 2.5 here. Make it 2. If I divide this go over here, 2. Over here, and that increase unknown dwelling. 2.5. 2.5 or 5. That's 3 dwellings. And that's 3 races area. What's my rating? So you have a dwelling here. You're gonna have 2.5. You're gonna have this is 10 meters. This is not good enough. So you're gonna have one more 5. What is 5? Let me divide it this way. This is square house. It's a no guilty. It's 4 by 4. Maybe a conservatory. It's 4 by 5. Conservatory. Yeah, like a 1, 2. Yeah, this is fine. It's gonna go 3 houses, 1 condo with 1. So there we go. This one looks like now. Just this is basically a floor plan I'm doing. Floor plan. Um, so let me try to design the interior design. So basically, so this is a concept here. So let me go here. So this is one dwelling, one dwelling, one dwelling, one dwelling. I'm gonna have a laundry 5 by 2. Um, basically, this is one I got a dwelling there. They are this is just a run where this is a dwelling 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 dwellings now after the dwelling the space. So basically, if I have a house, let me do mix it T. You feeding like a T, it's a T. I want to make one a T. Make this one a T here. So if I make a T, that means I have to reduce it. So this is 2 meters of plan. Let's go to the two. I don't know how tall is it. Five, five, 4, 3. It's showing to computers basically. Image structure design structure. So this is fatigue and feeling. One. So systems images. 3 meters here. Order in half. And then this would be half, halfway. You need to see. 2.4. 5 by 3. 5 by 2 is 3. Mhm. 3. And then again, I took my assessment down. See, this is my tea house. Okay, so the space now. This is one dwelling. It's like a gun, a pistol. This is how it looks like now for imminent. So let me just the move the redundancies. I think that's another this way and tidy up. Yeah, just want to give me half and telling me nonsense. I die in this country, I swear to God. Okay. For the imminence, I have a it's 1 hour video for TikTok. So let me still scratch myself and start doing some more. So let me now 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a conservatory. I've drawn 2 conservatories. Basically, I've done 4 condos. These are condos here. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are houses. No, be it. Condos. Uh, I have T triangle. Okay, let me try to determine how this will work. This is entrance one. Come in here. You have double doors. Double doors is 2 meters. Okay, 3 divided by 2 thirds. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 2. No, 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 is 3.6. 3.6 times 2. That's 1.2, so it would be 1.2. Okay, so so, and there will be double doors. So basically, double doors will be the one meter here. This would be thinking one door, uh, going stairs, stairs, stairs on the right or on the left. This is stairs on the right. Okay, if you go this way, so 1 meter gap of stairs. First stairs, 1 meter is 5 meters. 5 meters, a 5 meter gap of 4 meters stairs. 4 meters stairs. 1 meter width stairs. Look at the other side. I need an assessment. I feel stupid sometimes, but it's how women are. Telling me I'm dying. I'm dying. Who know I'm dying? Mm. I mean, not true. Because I don't know if you're sick, but I'm saying that there's a lot of people that are dying. I'm glad. So this is my condos I'm building. This is what I'm doing. So this is 53 minutes has passed. The stairs are there. Let me just erase. It shouldn't go all the way to the edge of it. Uh, it should just be in the middle there. This is it. Go here. You go to the kitchen. You go to bedroom one and bedroom two. This is kitchen and dining area. And then you can have kitchen and dining, and the bedroom be one bedroom. Make it two bedroom at the bottom. Two bedroom will be this is two bedroom here. Two bedroom. This is a master bedroom. This is 4 by 2. 4 by 2. And kitchen office. 4 by 2. 4. Just two. Two here. One, two. One, two. Well, this is basically 1.5 master bedroom. So bedroom, master bedroom in two beds. So that's why it's called a master bedroom. I don't like this country. There's something else. This is the orangery. This is the bedroom. No, This is 4, easily 4 meters. So this is 4 by 2. I'm trying to. There's no food. Who will give them food? Uh, we, guys, it's hard to stay in this country because of the lack of support. And I'll be going to Nigeria after being my condo. So just show you what I've been doing. This is a bedroom. It's a master bedroom. So let me do the labeling. Shall I do it inside? Bedroom master. Uh, Kitchen and dining. Uh, Dining room. This is basically something. Dining room. Dining room. Stairs. To label. This is a door. This needs to be labeled. What else? Corridor. Outdoor. Outdoor here. There's a door here. Let me go take the door symbol. It's very textile. Just use my hands. It's very textile. So this is what I'm talking about. So this is like the toilet. Look how it looks now. But it's not even that bad. So it's basically almost 1 hour, and I can't put it place over an hour long. So the 2 minutes I'm gonna spend just showing you how it looks. I'm gonna be doing some writing on it and see how it looks. But this is the first one. So it's allotment site. This is a site plan. No, this is the floor plan. No, this is site plan. No, this is the floor plan. This is what I said. But it's not big enough to distinguish the system. But big enough to determine where the houses are. And but you got this one here. I got an allotment. So I'm gonna try to get an allotment sorted out. But this is not complete. So this is side by side, just to show you I'm doing something. But 69 minutes now. Two more. Oh, just 4 seconds. 29, 22, 23.